Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Struts on the front end of your vehicle are also crucial for steering and alignment. Driving with a broken strut will be extremely uncomfortable for you and your passengers, and is unsafe in an emergency. It can also damage other components in your car.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shocks and struts help keep the vehicle stable during acceleration and braking. The customer may think that new shocks and struts will simply make their ride smoother, but the truth is that new shocks and struts can do a whole lot more. New shocks and struts can make a vehicle corner and brake like when it was new.
Take our lead.
The average cost for a strut replacement generally runs between $450 and $900 to replace a pair. If you are just replacing a single strut, the repair price will come to between $130 and $300, while labor will cost you between $150 and $300 for the pair.
Take our lead.
Bad strut sounds are usually described as a hollow clunking or banging type of sound. You'll typically hear the noise when the vehicle is traveling over irregularities in the road. It's also possible to get a bad strut mount sound, an audible clunking or creaking when turning the steering wheel.
Let's help you make your mark.
A typical shock and strut replacement can set you back anywhere between $450 and $1,100 on parts and labor combined. An individual shock and strut assembly costs around $150 to $900, while estimated labor costs for replacing a shock and strut assembly can range anywhere from $150 to $300 per assembly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.